नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। तो आज के पॉडकास्ट में डिस्कस करते हैं इंडेक्स के की लेवल्स और कौन से सेक्टर्स आज फोकस में रहेंगे। उससे पहले एक बार जान लेते हैं कैसे यूएस मार्केट्स और ग्लोबल मार्केट्स का ट्रेंड रहा। तो कल के ट्रेडिंग सेशन में अगर देखा जाए यूएस मार्केट्स में सारे इंडाइसेस में एक करेक्शन देखने को मिला था। The S&P 500, if you see, has slipped below its 20-day EMA level for the first time after October 17th. The daily RSI has slipped below its 50 mark and it's trading below its 9-day average. Going ahead, the 50-day EMA level, that is the levels of 6,650, will act as an important support for the index, while on the upside, the zone of 6,820 will act as a crucial hurdle. अगर ब्रेंट ऑयल के बारे में बात करें तो इंडेक्स एकदम रेंज में ट्रेड कर रहा है। लास्ट ऑलमोस्ट 8 ट्रेडिंग सेशन से कंटिन्यूस रेंज बाउंड ट्रेडिंग देखने को मिल रहा है एंड द 50-day EMA रेजिस्टेंस है इंडेक्स के लिए। गोइंग अहेड, द मार्क ऑफ 65.3 इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू एक्ट एज अ की हर्डल, while 62.3 will act as the support zone. Coming to the dollar index, so the dollar index has slipped below its 200-day EMA level and the daily RSI is about to give a bearish crossover. Going ahead, 101.3 is likely to act as the resistance level, while on the downside, the zone of 99.4, 99.2 remains as a crucial support area. Coming to the update regarding our markets. So in trade yesterday, if you see, the benchmark index Nifty extended its decline for the second consecutive session, settling near 25,500 mark, down 0.34%. The index has formed a bearish candle with an upper shadow on the daily chart, indicating that sellers remained active at higher levels. The follow-through selling indicates that the bulls attempted to regain control but failed to sustain intraday rebounds, allowing the sellers to dominate the price action. If you see, in the past two sessions, Nifty has slipped by more than 300 points, closing below its 20-day EMA, a key short-term trend indicator. This technical breakdown suggests a shift in sentiment as the index transitions from a bullish to a neutral to weak phase. Talking about the key levels for the index, 25,400, 25,350 zone is expected to act as a crucial support, which is followed by 25,230, while resistance lies around 25,630, 650 area. If we talk about the derivative data, so if you see, the November futures ended lower by 0.32%, while the combined open interest across all the series witnessed an increase by 0.18%. Among the Nifty constituents, if you see, 21 stocks witnessed short built up, 11 stocks witnessed long unwinding, 9 recorded short covering and 8 displayed long built up. Coming to the option chain data regarding Nifty, so if you see, 25,600 holds significant OI followed by 25,700, while on the put side it is mainly seen in 25,500 and 25,400 strikes. Talking about Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty too extended its decline for the second consecutive session and is currently consolidating near its previous swing support zone. On the daily chart, if you see, the index has formed a bearish candle with a long upper shadow, indicating that the bulls struggled to surpass the higher levels as sellers remained active, exerting pressure throughout the session. For Bank Nifty specifically, the zone of 57,300 will act as the immediate support level, and any sustainable move below the mark of 57,300 will lead to a further correction towards 56,800 mark. On the upside, the main resistance area is seen closer towards 58,000. Talking about Sensex too formed a bearish candle on the daily time frame with a long upper wick, indicating that the selling pressure at higher levels is clearly witnessed. The index has dipped below its short-term average, ending the weekly expiry 0.18% lower at the mark of 83,311. The key levels for Sensex from an intraday perspective, 82,900, 82,800 zone is expected to act as the immediate support, while on the upside the resistance is seen closer towards 84,100 mark. If you see the option chain data for Sensex, that is the next week's weekly expiry, we have 83,500 and 84,000, which has significant call open EI, and on the put side it is mainly seen in 83,000 and 82,500. अगर सेक्टर्स के बारे में बात करें, टेक्निकली जो सेक्टर्स अभी भी थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग है, दैट इज PSU बैंक, ऑयल एंड गैस, ऑटो इंडाइसेस आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू कंटिन्यू देयर आउट परफॉर्मेंस, while FMCG, IT, and defense stocks are likely to underperform from a short term perspective. That's a wrap of today's edition of the podcast. Thank you for tuning in.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.